Riley joining us for a look at our commute. We've had that dense fog advisory canceled for the day. We can see that it was foggy once on our tower cam, and now we can actually see for quite a bit.
Yeah, looking pretty good downtown. Now, that doesn't mean that you're not experiencing some dense fog in your area because it's still out there. Now, temperatures, we've dropped 2 degrees, so we are at 38 in Portland. We do have a little northwest wind, though, between about 5 and 10 miles per hour, so that's helping a little bit to mix up our atmosphere. Notice the visibility's out towards Troutdale, about 1.5 miles. Some visibility's a little low out towards Hillsborough and our western areas. Down the I-5 corridor, we are dealing with some fog all the way down towards Salem right now, 3/4 mile. So do be careful when you head out the door, as we are going to be dealing with some patchy dense fog. So right now, 38 degrees. We have not received any rain today, and this is what to expect in the next few hours. When you're driving, you might have a clear slot, and then you're going to run into some patchy dense fog. The sunrise this morning will be at 7:47, and most of our temps will fall between about 35 and 39 degrees. So that's the good news. We're not looking at any freezing fog being there this morning. Now, temperatures between about 38 and 40 out towards the west. Beaverton right now at 40 degrees, as well as Eastmoreland. 30 out towards Tillamook this morning. So we could see some patchy fog as well. Might be watching this area for some light freezing fog. Be aware of that. And then through the gorge right now, temperatures running between about 34 and 36. And Bend right now at 27. So here's your planner for today. Fog this morning and plenty of clouds. As we go through the afternoon hours, I still think we're going to be generally cloudy through the noon hour. Maybe a few breaks in the clouds as we get into the afternoon. Our temperatures will fall right close to average, about 47 between about 3 and 5 p.m. and will stay mostly cloudy through 7 p.m. And then tonight we start to see that fog redeveloping once again, most likely after 9 o'clock. So if you're headed to the Blazers game tonight, they play the Cleveland Cavaliers. Tip off at 7 o'clock, lower 40s, and then we'll see some of that fog developing after the game. So what we're seeing, we have that inversion in place, and that's giving us the air stagnation advisories for all the areas shaded in yellow. Now, Portland, we are not included in that, but you go further south and of course through Corvallis, actually Eugene, you're included in this, also Salem, out towards Pendleton and the Gorge. And what that means is basically we have that high pressure in place, and that's going to keep the colder air and the fog stuck in the valleys, also those air pollutants. So people who have respiratory issues, this is a concern for you. And if you want sunnier and warmer weather, you have to go to the coast and also the higher elevations in the mountains. So that's what we're going to see today. Temperatures probably closing into near 60 degrees out towards the coast with sunshine. We'll stay foggy and cooler in the valley, and then you head up to the mountains and temperatures will be warmer with the sunshine. And if you're wondering about precipitation, looking at the extended models, it just looks very dry. Today we have that ridge in place, and I'm going to stop it through the weekend. Now we have a weak system that's going to pull in that might give a few sprinkles on Saturday into Sunday out towards the coast. It's a very slight chance of that, but notice we still have a ridge in place coming in into mid next week. So I'm really anticipating us to stay dry, and there's just not really a lot coming in. It's going to be very inactive for the next week or so. So detailing the next couple of days, morning fog possibly tomorrow's temperatures right around 32. We could be dealing with some patchy freezing fog. We'll watch that with possibly some sunshine towards the end of the day. We have some east winds coming in tomorrow and on Friday, so I think we'll have more sunshine on Friday, right around 53. We get into the weekend with a few sprinkles by Saturday and Sunday along the coast. We stay dry Monday and Tuesday with temperatures near 50. Carly?
It's nice to see